Tutorial number 7. Description and tests of Rango buttons.
Hi, I'm Alex from GoSense. In this tutorial, we will have an overview of the different buttons on Rango. As explained in the previous tutorial, on Rango there is a menu with 4 buttons positioned crosswise. First, there is the big button. This button allows you to power on and power off Rango. In order to power on Rango, make a short press. In order to power off Rango, make a long press. Once connected, if you make a short press on this button,
Rango is
will
connected.
communicate you your GPS position, the current time, and the battery level of Rango.
You are at 64 Avenue Bel Air. It is 13:20. Rango is charged at 50%.
Next, you have a button on the right side and one on the left side of the big button. Those buttons allows you to navigate through the different functionalities or the different items in the menu.
Public transportation, 1 out of 3. Light, 2 out of 3. Shut down Rango, 3 out of 3.
Lastly, there is a button on the opposite side of the big button. It's the Home button, or the Return button. When Rango is powered on and connected, the cursor is by default set on Home. But when navigating through the features and you want to go back to the general home page, all you have to do is press and hold this button.
Home.
You know now the different use of each and every button on Rango. In the next tutorial, we'll present you the public transport timetable feature. See you soon!